So you ain't got number 2. That thing work? The 206?
Yeah, I did the dash myself.
Oh yeah? Man, he said he did all the blue in here himself, y'all. Oh man. So he said he did the dash himself. What kind of transmission in here?
TCI. All
Oh,
my
yeah.
shit straight from the South, Mississippi and Arkansas and Tennessee.
Mississippi, Arkansas, and Tennessee. Okay.
TCI transmission.
Okay.
Mississippi.
Okay. This thing running good.
Pump cam, Memphis, Tennessee.
Oh, you went with a comp cam?
Yeah. Everything from the hometown.
So what, you got the motor built from scratch or what?
Yeah.
For real? And they did the machine, who did the machine work? They did too?
Powerhouse Motors, yeah.
So you just dropped the whole car off and said, say man, I want a 383. You wanted a 383? Or they recommended you a 383?
So fast I can drive on the street, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that what you told them? Damn. He said he wanted something fast he could drive on the street. That was a good race, y'all. Hell, I want to race again too here.
Where your car at?
I ain't bringing my car today.
I might go one more time.
Yeah, I think,
I'm straight on pump gas, man.
yeah, you on pump gas?
Yes, sir.
What's some 93?
93. Exxon.
From Exxon?
It's gonna run better this time.
It is?
That was a
What?
good little race one.
Huh?
That was a good race one.
Yeah, that was a good race. I got it on camera. Did somebody clip it? Yeah, that was a good run, y'all, man. I had a good time. Ask them, did they see the car? Somebody see it? Nah, ain't nobody, probably seen that.
It's already on there?
Yeah, it's already on there.
You go to YouTube or something else?
On Twitch, I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Later on.
Yeah. I'll get them in that caprice, y'all. Hey. Huh? Yeah, I got a YouTube channel, Look Out Racing.
Look Out Racing?
Look Out Racing, man. I'm
So
on
Twitch?
I'm on Twitch right now.
How many views you got?
Man, that thing don't be working, but it says 68. It says 68, but it probably be more. A little bit. It's just jumping a little bit. It's jumping. It's jumping. My YouTube channel got 12,000 subscribers now.
This is what you film? You just come down here?
Nah, I go everywhere, all around the world. Dallas. Yeah, I'm from Dallas though. I be doing Virginia, Florida. My next event is gonna be in Florida. I'm be in Florida, so yeah. If it's a good event going on, I most likely will be there. Filming it live. Want to see racing 07. What's up with it, man? That Caprice will give him some running. Yeah, I'll get him in that Caprice. My Caprice will get him. Ooh. Next time I see him, I'm gonna run him in that Caprice, y'all. Show y'all that. That'll be it. Whoop him in there one time for the one time. Man, I should have got my hot chocolate. Man, it's 3 Mustangs in a row. Yeah, I'm finna go get that hot chocolate, wey. Chocolate, wey. Dame. Uh-oh.
Hey, I well. The smoke shack. You see it? Oh, okay.
Orale Holmes. Let me see some. I've been saying I'm gonna give me some hot chocolate for an hour, man. I'm trying to show y'all some racing. I ain't been taking care of my own needs. And I need some hot chocolate. Oh, Lordy. Oh, that's some dun dun dun. Oh, yeah. window. I think the window they got the hot chocolate. I don't want no food. I'm full today, y'all. I called my Uncle Charles, y'all. And he came over there. We had us some good old ribs. Look out, look out. I want some hot chocolate, man.
I have one prepared.
You got one prepared?
Right there.
Let me get it.
Would you like it with whipped cream and chocolate drizzle?
Whipped cream and yeah. Is that extra? Wait a minute, is that extra?
Yes.
What? $4?
$4. Yeah.
I'm buying the whole box.
Normally it'd be $3, so it's just $1 more.
Hey, miss, I got a complaint.
What is it?
$4 for hot chocolate, too much.
No, hang on. That's if you want the whipped cream.
I want the whipped cream.
$4.
Is it 4? Miss, that's how much the box costs.
How much is a regular? 3?
Yeah, it's supposed to been 2 regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, y'all just, miss, y'all need to do some
Pay $3.
Yeah.
I'll make you one. I'll make you
You gonna make it for me?
Because you're one
You
of our
so
faithful
sweet.
customers. I'll
Oh, I'm gonna pay 4 now.
No, give you 3. Just $3.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay 4, y'all.
I'll still make you the
She
one.
said I'm one of her
And
best
we're getting
customers.
complaints at the hotel.
Miss, ain't $4 for some hot chocolate with the
Toppings?
man. That's higher than the
You get chocolate and you get peppermint bits. Do you want them?
Nah, that's more than the Chick-fil-A Sunday.
Now we put 2 packets in it. So it's extra chocolate.
That's more than the Chick-fil-A shake with the whipped cream and cherry on top and the chocolate chip peppermint flavoring and ice cream.
A lot of bulk. They buy everything in like extreme bulk.
I see all the chocolate back there. Y'all sell 4 cups, you gonna pay for all the boxes back there.
Guys, I need some whipped cream and some chocolate over here.
Man, miss. I'm finna tell everybody now, y'all. You don't want me to tell it? Okay, I ain't gonna tell nobody. Okay, making a special.
Yeah, the regular one's only $3.
Let us show
Okay.
you why it's special. Go ahead.
Let me
Look
see
it
why
up.
it's packing.
Look it up.
Yeah,
Reason why it is
yeah.
a
Tell me
$4
why it's
hot
special.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Well, you get 2 packs of
Oh, you get 2 packs.
and look at all that whipped
Oh, all that whipped cream. Yeah, that is. Let me see. Oh, yeah, he whipped it up for me.
cream. Rip it up.
Whip it up.
whip
You gotta
it
give $4 worth now.
That's right. Yeah, we're gonna get that chocolate syrup on there.
Oh, they put the syrup on it.
Yeah.
I don't even need that much of that, but yeah, let me see.
And if,
Oh, it ain't. Y'all running out.
if you want it really special, we got peppermint.
Oh, y'all got peppermint?
Peppermint.
What?
They actually said it's really good. It tastes amazing. It makes a big difference.
Oh, it tastes amazing?
It tastes amazing.
What? Make mine taste amazing too then. You sure it's amazing?
It is.
With the
With the peppermint on it, it's amazing. You just put it.
look, give me the peppermint. I want everything you got. Give me everything.
Open it and just pop
Yeah,
it
just
on
open it and pop it on there. Oh, and you say that make it amazing.
there. It makes it amazing when it melts.
Okay. What about my? I thought I was getting a cherry on top, man. Y'all, where the cherries at? Huh? No, I don't want no cherry. I was hot side. I don't even really like cherries.
You need a cherry, guys?
I don't need one, man.
No, but we really do.
I don't need no cherry. I'm finna go, miss. I ain't what?
I'm showing you what we have.
That's a mess. Oh yeah, I don't need no cherry, miss.
We are live. He is live streaming us, so listen
Yeah.
to our professional behavior.
Okay, professional
These are
behavior.
our 3 teenagers we got. They're
Uh-huh.
13 and they are learning.
Okay.
And cherry on top.
Oh yeah, that's it right there, miss.
So look
I think you
out,
put one of them
Gracie.
cherries
Come on
right there on
over,
top of there.
Cherry on top.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about what else we can use on that.
I think that's all you need.
Chocolate syrup. If you want a cherry, we'll give you one.
Okay, I don't need one. Thank you.
Guys, look, I'm gonna put this right
Thank you. Oh, hey! My marshmallows.
We don't got none.
What?
We don't got no marshmallows.
No marshmallows. Oh my God. That's an empty bottle, y'all.
So I'm just talking.